Okay, this is problem 2 for predicting products worksheets. Again, we look at our reaction, we are asked what type it is. I have a hydrogen compound and I have a hydroxide compound, which means that this reaction is going to be an acid-base reaction. So what are the formulas for the products? Well, we know that every time we have an acid-base reaction, one of them is water. That's an easy one. We can write that in and move on. The other one is going to be composed of the other two ions. So I have chlorine and I have magnesium. Well, I know that magnesium is an Mg2+, and I know that chlorine is a Cl-, and so my other product is going to be MgCl2. Okay. Phase labels for the products. Well, water's simple. Water's going to be a liquid. And my other compound is always going to be aqueous. So the phase labels for an acid-base reaction are always going to be a liquid and aqueous. Okay, so I go to write my balanced reaction. Again, I already have the first half, HCl aqueous plus MgOH2 and then I have formulas for my products. And we already told me what their phase labels are going to be, plus okay. And now I need to balance it. I have hydrogen and oxygen, chlorine, and magnesium on both sides. And on this side, I've got 3 hydrogen, if you're paying attention. There's 1 here, and there's 2 there. And I have 2 oxygen, and I have 1 chlorine, and I have 1 magnesium. And over here, I have 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, 2 chlorine, and 1 magnesium. So what can I multiply to make things match? The hydrogen looks icky, so we're not going to deal with that right now. But what if we let's start with the chlorine. What if we deal with the chlorine? I have 2 here and 1 here, so I'm going to multiply this by 2. My chlorine's right here in my hydrochloric acid, so I need 2 hydrochloric acid. Means that I'm going to need, I now have 2 of those, and I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogen over there. Okay, so back over here, to fix the oxygen, I need twice as many, so we're going to put a 2 right there. Means I now have 2 oxygen and, like I needed, 4 hydrogen. And there you have it. Okay, and then finally, is the reaction spontaneous? Absolutely. Acids and bases will always react with one another.